autistic people say they find it hugely difficult, and mainly females talking about this, hugely difficult to understand how people interact with each other. And that's what drives them to do this exhausting, lifelong strategies of watching very carefully the popular girls at school or people at work and working out how people relate to each other, training themselves to make eye contact for exactly the right amount of time. And then they actually write scripts, they practice them in front of mirrors. The whole of their day, particularly little girls at school, will be playing out a script that they've got in their head and watching what the popular girls do. And it's exhausting. And that's when they have these kind of meltdowns when they get home at the end of school and throughout life. And there's a study done recently where it was shown that if teachers were given a hypothetical story about a child with behavioural problems and asked, do you think this child is autistic, or would you refer this child to be assessed, or do you think they need help? If the teachers were told the hypothetical child name was Jack, they were much more likely to say this child is autistic and needs help than if the child, description exactly the same, was called Chloe. So even at that point, there's a barrier to say, this is part of this, clamping pipeline, as it were.